It's a sunny day in Seattle, so I decided to plant the spring bulbs. These are the calla lilies, and then this is the dahlia. You can see a sprout. And then we also have, hold on, let's take a closer look at the dahlia. Looks pretty cool. Don't really see any other sprouts though. And here we also have the potato. Gonna plant these two. And then this dahlia over here, it's wrapped in the paper, and there's no sprouts in this one. Sorry, it's a little difficult to get it out from the paper bag. Looks like this. There's no sprouts, as you can see, and I think that's because I wrap it in paper, so it's in complete darkness, comparing to this one, which is not in darkness. And this is how I'm gonna plant the dahlia. Pretty easy. Just kind of fill the pot with some soil and put the bulbs in there, and then bury it. And then this is how I'm gonna plant the calla lilies. Same procedure. Yeah, there's a lot of them. Keeps propagating every year, but I don't see any flowers though. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. And then for the potatoes, because I only have two, I wanted to have more plants, so I'm gonna cut them into individual pieces, each with at least one eye, and for each eye there's gonna be a sprout. Some of them are not visible yet. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them and then show you what it looks like. So this is what I did. You can see this piece has one sprout, so that's good. This piece has one sprout too. And this piece, you can't really see a sprout, but there's an eye over here. If you look closely, right there, it's gonna sprout once I plant it. And then these guys have sprouts too, so yeah, I'm gonna plant it the same way. Just put them in the soil and then bury them with more soil. So this is a big pot. The other half of the pot I'm probably gonna plant beets from seeds.